वेलकम टू टेस्टिफाई मिनिस्ट्री। टेस्टिफाई मिनिस्ट्री में आपका स्वागत है। आए मिलकर आज का पवित्र वचन सीखे।
My name is Shanta Tappo. I came from Auxilium Convent School, Barasat. I was having breathing problem from 8 when I was 8 years till my age is 17. During this adoration, I held led by Father Shyam and Brother Kai.